Our planet is filled with incredible landscapes and natural wonders. Yet even today, some places on Earth continue to puzzle scientists and researchers. From strange geological formations to unusual natural phenomena, these locations challenge our understanding of the natural world. In this video, we explore 10 mysterious places on Earth that scientists still cannot fully explain. Bermuda Triangle. Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most famous mysterious regions on Earth. Located in the Atlantic Ocean between Bermuda, Puerto Rico, and Florida, this area has long been associated with strange disappearances of ships and aircraft. Scientists believe powerful ocean currents, unpredictable storms, and unusual weather patterns may contribute to these incidents. Some researchers have also suggested methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor could interfere with navigation. Although many scientific explanations have been proposed, the Bermuda Triangle continues to capture imagination around the world. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. High in the Andes, mountains of Bolivia, lies Salar de Uyuni, the largest salt flat on Earth. This vast white landscape stretches more than 10,000 square kilometers. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water covers the salt surface and transforms the area into a giant mirror reflecting the sky above. The horizon disappears, creating an illusion where the ground and sky seem to merge together. Scientists believe this extraordinary landscape formed from ancient prehistoric lakes that dried thousands of years ago. Yet its surreal beauty continues to amaze visitors from around the world. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. One of the most unusual places on Earth lies in northeastern Ethiopia. The Danakil Depression is known for its colorful mineral fields, steaming vents, and boiling hot springs. Bright yellow, green, and orange pools cover the landscape, created by volcanic activity and mineral deposits. Temperatures here are among the hottest on Earth. Scientists study this region because its extreme conditions resemble environments that may exist on other planets. The strange colors and constantly changing terrain make the Danakil Depression one of the most mysterious and fascinating landscapes on our planet. Nazca Lines, Peru. Across the desert plains of southern Peru lie enormous shapes carved into the ground. Known as the Nazca Lines, these massive geoglyphs form designs of animals, plants, and geometric patterns. The lines were created by the Nazca civilization more than 2,000 years ago. Because the designs are best viewed from the air, their purpose has puzzled scientists for decades. Some believe the lines had religious or ceremonial significance, while others suggest they were connected to astronomy or water sources. Lake Hillier, Australia. Lake Hillier in Western Australia is famous for its bright pink color. Unlike many other colored lakes around the world, this lake maintains its pink appearance throughout the year. Scientists believe the unusual color comes from microorganisms and algae that produce red pigments in extremely salty water. Although this explanation is widely accepted, the exact balance of microorganisms responsible for the color is still being studied today. Mount Roraima, South America. Mount Roraima rises dramatically above the surrounding rainforest on the borders of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Its towering cliffs and flat summit create one of the most unique landscapes on Earth. Because the mountain has remained isolated for millions of years, unique ecosystems developed on its plateau. Some plants and animals found on Mount Roraima exist nowhere else on the planet. The constant clouds and mist surrounding the mountain add to its mysterious atmosphere. Crooked Forest, Poland. Near the town of Gryfino in Poland stands a forest filled with strangely curved pine trees. Each tree bends sharply near the base before growing upright again. Hundreds of trees share this unusual shape, creating one of the most unusual forests in the world. Some researchers believe human activity may have shaped the trees long ago for timber production. However, no clear historical record explains why these trees were intentionally bent. Reshat Structure, Mauritania. In the Sahara Desert of Mauritania lies an enormous circular formation known as the Reshat Structure, sometimes called the Eye of the Sahara. From space, the structure appears as a giant spiral stretching nearly 50 kilometers across the desert landscape. Early scientists believed it might be a meteor impact crater, but later studies suggested it formed through geological uplift and erosion over millions of years. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. Deep in the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan burns a fiery crater known as the Door to Hell. The crater formed in the 1970s when a natural gas field collapsed during drilling operations. Scientists ignited the escaping gas to prevent methane from spreading into the atmosphere. They expected the fire to burn out quickly, but the flames have continued burning for decades, creating a glowing crater in the desert. Moeraki Boulders, New Zealand. Along the coast of New Zealand lie the mysterious Moeraki Boulders. These massive spherical rocks are scattered across the beach like giant stone marbles. Some of the boulders measure nearly 2 meters in diameter. Scientists believe they formed millions of years ago through a natural process called concretion. Minerals slowly accumulated around a central core, gradually forming these perfectly rounded stones. These mysterious places remind us that Earth still holds many secrets waiting to be discovered. From unusual landscapes to strange natural phenomena, our planet continues to surprise scientists and explorers alike. As research continues, some mysteries may eventually be solved. But until then, these remarkable locations remain powerful reminders of the wonders of the natural world.